Hey, what's going on? You know who it is? It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan of hotels. Today, Kevin is in the building. We have HCN taking over the world in the hospitality industry. How are we doing today, Kevin?
Nice to see you, Bruce. Thanks for having me.
Same here, same here. So, how did you guys get started in this business?
It's 15 years ago, four competitors started almost at the same time.
Wow.
And then a few others started later, but it's only the original four that survived through COVID. When the industry shut down, we were the only ones left, ones that had the deepest roots. And we all started with the same vision, but HCN had a very different approach. So Crave, the best of our competitor, has just been acquired by HCN in a kind of a bold moment of consolidation in the industry right before our big rollout, as we start to roll out what will be a multi-million room rollout in the industry, realizing our long-term vision. So the difference between HCN and our competitors is pretty straightforward. They saw themselves as a product company that would sell tablets to hotels. We saw ourselves as a media company that would provide the tablets to hotels, greatly subsidized by advertising and other stakeholders so that the hotels could have it as close to free as possible, dropping that cost. Tablets made their way into the industry and became very successful and accepted, but really only at the 5-star and resort tier of the industry, and that's because of cost.
Correct.
4-star hotels would love to have this type of guaranteed communication into the guest room, but the costs were too high. So now that we're rolling with a major national brand, we're able to attract big advertising, which really is dropping that cost down into the level that any hotel can afford. And that's allowing us to do that massive rollout into the industry. And we share the revenues from all these stakeholders back to the hotel.
Oh, that is amazing because to find another revenue source and that is already built in, that's incredible.
So not only are we delivering better profits, better guest satisfaction, but we're sharing the profits from our partners that are helping to pay for these tablets.
We all love to hear that. So plan. I gotta look behind the scenes and I got to see how the concierge service work. We're gonna be playing that video for you for a second, but if you could just break down, behind the scenes that I saw and what it does.
So let's talk about two things.
Okay.
First, what is the difference that a tablet makes? And what does a tablet do? And then this breakthrough new AI technology on a tablet. So the big differentiator that a tablet brings to the industry is that this is guaranteed communication in the room, unlike anything ever before. Hotels that first tried it on the TV, pretty big failure trying to put interactive communication on a television. Nobody used it. Then the entire industry has plowed millions of dollars into, tens of millions into mobile apps, which are successful, but just only partially because so many guests don't want to download apps. What do the rest of your guests do? You really have no way of communicating. If you put a tablet at the bedside, it replaces the clock radio, can replace the phone, the TV remote, the room controls, one elegant device that does it all. But the most important thing is it's guaranteed communication to your guest, personalized by name. Of course, we can connect to the PMS so we know that guest's name. That guest name is on screen, but also when the AI comes up, he or she can greet that guest by name. So it's personalized, direct communication, and it's interactive. How's your stay going? Any problems? Ordering food to the room. Your windows are going to be cleaned tomorrow. Meet us down at the lobby for the first app is on us.
Now,
or even inter-guest communications for groups and targeting group communications over these tablets. All that's possible now because of this two-way terminal in the room.
man, that thing may actually get rid of the telephone inside the room as well.
Not me, it does. First of all, we don't use the phone to call anybody but the hotel.
That's right.
And vice versa. And of course, with telephony on our computers, that's nothing new. There's really no need for a phone in the room anymore once you have a tablet. And so that's the next big step. Not every hotel wants to do that, but it's certainly the technology is available now to replace the phone. And it's also a better alarm clock. It doesn't wake you up with somebody else's alarm, and it tells time accurately 100% of the time. And we have beautiful sleep sounds that help the guests go to sleep, or white noise if there's street sounds. So it's just a better all-around device for delivering everything that old junk used to do.
Yeah.
So now let's talk about the AI side of things. So we're going to play a clip in a second of what the new Concierge will do. And the 4-star tier of the industry, by and large, has not renewed their Concierge service post-COVID. So that's a service that's gone away that the traveling public misses.
Correct.
And we can replace that at scale. Every guest gets their own personal concierge. It can greet you by name. It can greet you by group, by your loyalty tier, or if you're part of a group or convention, be a special message to you from that convention, welcome you to that. Can even be a digital version of the convention keynote speaker, president of the association, greeting you by name. That's how far this technology has come. But the concierge is extra special because the concierge is hooked into the hotel. Get me towels, order me room service, where's the pool, ice maker, and also hooked into the city. Help me find what are the best museums in town. I'm looking for the best Greek food. Whatever you like, that concierge can help you line up, create an itinerary, and then go with you into the city to help you make changes on the fly or get information if you need it. Even send me a running tour of 4 miles, and then you got an annotator with you telling you that this is the Chicago Bean. It was installed in 1984. Oh, wow. So, these are the things that the AI technology can do today. The difference is we can deliver it to every guest now on a tablet, subsidized by advertising that the industry can roll out en masse. So and then we put the two top companies in the industry together to deliver that to the industry. That's the story of HCN, Crave, Guest Room Tablet, and the coming AI revolution as a concierge.
Man, this is better than Star Wars.
Thank you. We like it.
Like, no one's going to call the front desk anymore. Like,
Wasn't that the idea for the hotelier?
Yeah.
Right? Relieve the pressure and have an AI take care of it for the guest and place that order and solve that problem and help that guest the way a human would have. And that's the age we're at right now. This is the delivery method.
So what's the plan after this? Because I know that's the way you guys always work. This is the introduction, but there's more to it that you're building into it. So
yeah, well, really, this is an infrastructure. The reason that we really want to give this as close to free as possible to the industry, this is a digital backbone. We really see ourselves as the world's concierge.
correct.
So that's what HCN, the Hotel Communication Network, set out to do. Replace what used to be Where magazine in the room, and that key for the guest to figure out what's on in the city. Our concierge is going to be the concierge of the world, delivered over the backbone of these tablets as a phenomenal service for the hotels and for the guests.
Now, how would the upsells work? Because I know everybody loves upsells.
And especially the hotel that's selling them. So absolutely, the nice thing about the tablet is that it's graphical. You want to see that upsell room. You want to see. And the nice thing about ordering room service over this is we're upselling too. Order that hamburger, how about this craft beer? You ordered that filet mignon, how about this bottle of Merlot? So upsell, upsell, upsell. Also a tremendous integration into the spa. See 3 spots open tomorrow, put them up in the guest room to help fill those spots.
Nice. I think that's one of the worst things when it comes to upsells with hotels is that there's no visual. So it's just the front desk saying, hey, we have this room. Is this is next to the pool. They can't see it.
Right.
So now they can see it.
And we even put tablets right at the front desk, my check-in, with a nice slideshow that the front desk check-in agent can flip through. So all that's part of the whole service of putting HCN in the hotel.
This is big. This is really big. People are going to see their upsell revenues go through the roof. The ADR is going to jump, and they're not going to have to increase. They're not going to have to increase the rate.
Well, that's right. And we drop the cost, we increase the guest satisfaction, we increase profitability.
No.
It's a win-win-win.
Reviews. Do they leave a review before they check out, or?
We absolutely helped drive up TripAdvisor scores by, first of all, finding out if that guest is happy. If not, let's get that problem fixed. And with a happy guest, asking them if they want to do a TripAdvisor review after they leave the hotel. And of course, we've seen our hotel partners' TripAdvisor scores jump 30, 40, 50% in a month or two.
Oh, wow. That is absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's a really big, and that's because we've got the signage in the room to get in touch with that guest. We're not waiting for the guest to call us. A lot of guests don't report a problem. Then they go away mad, and you'll read about it online.
That's right.
Here, we can make sure that the guest is happy, and that is a big game changer in TripAdvisor online scoring.
One of the things I really love is that everybody gets notified at the same time. So if there's an issue with there's a false fire alarm,
Right.
we can tell everybody at the same time.
Yep.
Everybody gets the message.
Even the security, active shooter, don't leave, or riot outside or even thunderstorm,
Tornado,
stay in the room. So, we've got a notification system that is, first of all, flawless. Everybody's going to see that notice. And the second thing, to your point, is instant. And the hotel staff can run it themselves. We've made it that easy.
I don't think it could get any better than that. You guys have a tough mark to beat after this comes out. So,
well, we'd be beating ourselves. So
there you go. You got to beat yourself. Listen, Kevin, thanks for being on the show. How can everybody get in touch with you?
Well, it's hcn-inc.com. Pop on our site and just leave a request for a follow-up. We're happy to jump on a call, show your presentation.
And we finally found the miracle we was looking for. This is Bruce Short, the Mike Jordan Hotels, signing out.
Hi, Kevin. Great to have you here at Hotel HCN. Thank you for being a Platinum member. Your loyalty is appreciated. I'm Amy, your personal AI concierge, here to help you with anything you need, whether in the hotel or out in the city. I can understand many different languages. Everything on this tablet is free, so go ahead and explore.
I'd like to get some extra towels, please.
Certainly. Kevin, would you like an extra bath towel or two, or a whole set?
No, just an extra bath towel.
Your order has been placed and should be there within about 20 minutes.
I'm interested in food. What do you have here in the hotel?
Right here in the hotel. Our restaurant is Pinewood, and we also have Harry's Bar. Would you like to see a menu?
I'd like to get something to the room. What are my options?
We have the Pinewood Express menu. Here it is.
Okay, thanks. Can you also give me some information about the boat tours in the city?
Certainly. One of the most popular is the architectural tour, and there are several great options in the city. I'll bring one of them on screen now, so you can hit the tabs to see the others.
Actually, I'm interested in sushi. Are there any good options nearby?
Absolutely. Within walking distance, we have some great options. Would you like to see the menus?
Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Short, the Hotel Revenue Expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.